Video. It is Friday, October 1st. Happy brand new month for everyone. Hopefully we have a great green month in the market. But today I want to talk about Progenity Inc. Ticker symbol is PROG, and PROG or PROG PROG stock. Currently sitting at $1.95 at the time of this video. It's up around 28% in the morning hours of the market, and you can already see the trading volume is absolutely massive here. For Progenity, 126 million trades already today, and earnings actually coming up next month, November 8th through November 12th. If we take a look here at the all-time chart for Progenity, or let's take a look at the year-to-date, we can see that back this time last year, Progenity was at almost $10 a share, and it really has just completely tumbled and was at a year low 72 cents at the middle of August. But we're seeing it really start to climb over the past 2-3 days or so, and the volume has just been absolutely massive as well. So I just want to talk about Progenity as a company, talk about kind of why it's going up in price, and just give my overall opinion on it. Again, the chart events show a bullish pattern is being detected as well. So let's get right into it. So Progenity is a biotech company with a multi-omics approach. We are combining genomics, epigenomics, proteomics, and metabolomics to improve the diagnosis and treatment of disease. If you click on there about us, their mission is to help families navigate the patient journey and prepare for life. Their vision, transform healthcare to be more precise and personal. Progenity is an innovative biotech company that was founded in 2010 and went public in 2020. We aim to provide the diagnosis of disease and improve patient outcomes through localized treatment with targeted therapies. Their values are collaboration, dedication, quality, innovation, service, integrity. So very simple biotech company. Really, I think what they do is their main product is the Pre-Claudia, which is a preeclampsia rule-out test, which is currently in development for patients representing the signs and symptoms of possible preeclampsia from 28 weeks to up to 37 gestation. So I guess if preeclampsia, if you're unfamiliar, is a syndrome of pregnancy characterized by high blood pressure, multi-organ injury, and fetal compromise. This condition is primarily defined by its symptoms: new onset hypertension, new onset proteinuria, headaches, abdominal pain, weight gain, visual changes, nausea, decreased fetal movement, and edema. And it says approximately 30% of all pregnant women have one of these symptoms and are assessed for preeclampsia. So the Preeclampsia test is just to rule out if the patient does have preeclampsia. And you can see the cost of a preeclamptic pregnancy are costly, significantly increases the price of the pregnancy. Occurs in 5 to 8% of pregnancies in the U.S. Between 8 to 20% of all pregnant women have at least one risk factor, and preeclampsia is the number 2 cause of maternal mortality. So that's a pretty significant issue that preeclampsia does give, and Pre-Claudia is a rule-out test which allows, I guess, the doctors or whoever's treating the mother of the maternal patient that it gives them, the option to treat and potentially reduce the cost and improve the patient's outcomes if they know or not that the patient has preeclampsia. So what happened on September 14th was Progenity announces patent granted by the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office for its preeclampsia rule-out test. And as you can see here, the preeclampsia rule-out test, Pre-Claudia, did announced today that the USPTO issued U.S. Patent 11,112,403 for assessment of preeclampsia using assays for free and dissociated placental growth factor. This patent is directed to methods, compositions, and kits for detecting and measuring free and dissociated placental growth factor (PIGF) levels in biological samples. PIGF is well established as an important biomarker for the assessment of preeclampsia, and recent studies have revealed the importance of distinguishing between the free and bound forms when assessing the complex physiological pathways involved in preeclampsia. So they got the patent granted by the USPTO, which is pretty cool. And I just think as a company, there are some very, very positive and promising things going on here at Progenity. Again, any biotech company is obviously I mean, in my opinion, if it's a good biotech company, they're doing things that are trying to change and impact lives. So from a investor point of view, most people will like to see what they're doing, and they'll take it on a positive note, whatever that biotech company is doing, because they're most likely trying to really change quite a bit of people's lives with their products. But as far as really why PROG, see, it's already up more today. It's almost at $2. It just hit $2 a second ago. Um, but as far as why PRG is up today, I wanted to reference this article on Investor Place. Chris McDonald. This actually came out yesterday because PRG was just kind of beginning to skyrocket as well. But you can see here today, one of the hot stocks that's on the radar of retail investors is Progenity. Indeed, PROG stock is moving higher in incredible fashion. Currently, shares of this biotech company are up more than 25%. So it seems to me and to most people that Progenity is part of this retail investor squeeze that we've been seeing with Farmmi stock, with Cambria Energy stock, other stocks that I've done videos on. It seems that Progenity is a part of those things, kind of joining this meme stock craze that we're starting to see again. It was back in middle of February we saw PROG stocks and similar stocks really blow up and have hit all-time highs with GameStop, and PROG is kind of doing the same thing. Definitely a part. It's looking like it's a part of this retail investor short squeeze. So PRG stock, the next short squeeze favorite. Retail investors long to find the next GameStop or AMC. Getting in early and seeing those parabolic returns can be a lottery ticket many investors are looking for. It's like a gold rush like any other, and retail investors have gotten it right, have done incredibly well this year. Currently, it appears PROG stock is included among short squeeze candidates. Investors will note that short interest with PROG stock has spiked in recent weeks. This remarkable spike in short interest has led to a significant portion of the decline in PROG stock. Accordingly, retail investors are looking to stick it to the man and appear to have a new candidate in its regard. Progenity has a small market cap of just 160 million. Let's see if that's changed. 234 million now, since this price has definitely gone up. 234 million. A very low price share and the ability to buy options on this stock are all factors playing into the rise. Various social media commentators have pointed out that options volume for PRG stock has skyrocketed as well, and investors appear to be getting a gamma squeeze. To be betting a gamma squeeze could be in order if the buying interest boosts this stock higher. Again, talks about how Progenity can be an extremely risky investment, as any stock that's really short squeezing or just squeezing kind of out of nowhere. Again, the most recent news is the USPTO granting the preeclampsia product, giving them a patent, issuing a patent. But you can see now Progenity up to $2, and clearly probably going to rise more throughout the day. Now, if we go back to when a lot of stocks were short squeezing, we can see Progenity really wasn't a part of that. But we can see just here really starting to take a big upspin in price, really since yesterday. Even honestly since back here on 9/29, which would have been on Wednesday, started to really popped up, and really going crazy today. So let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about Progenity. Definitely not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but I just wanted to share this information with you guys. Again, let me know in the comments. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, drop a like on this video, and as always, have a great day.